Hello everyone. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to complete the Milestone 5 news classification for ABC Bank. Okay, so we will be using the resources from the TP100. Create and explore the responsible AI dashboard. Okay, so Control F, look for the dashboard. Okay, this one, yeah. Number 11, create and explore the responsible AI dashboard. Okay, launch. Yeah, so just wait for a while until this completed. And in the meantime, you're going to be going to explore. Yeah, so this is about the text classification, news classification. So the step mentions detail here, but not as detailed as last time. So I expected that you already know the basic. Okay, so important is to create the resources with the correct name, yeah, the resource group name and a machine learning workspace name. And we're going to follow this, yeah. Okay, so just wait for a while until the virtual machine is ready. Okay, everyone, so we have the virtual machine ready and we quickly log on to the portal Azure to create the resources. As you know that recently Microsoft for the LOD, Learn on Demand, implementing the temporary access pass instead of password to restrict the creating the Azure AI or Azure resources. So now more restrictive. The lab duration is shorter, and also there is a policy that restrict the name of the resource group, the name of the machine learning workspace, and so on. So we follow the procedure to log on. And then if this asking for the temporary access pass, then you have to key in this one. Yeah. Okay, so we quickly log on to the Azure to create the necessary resources, which is the Azure Machine Learning Workspace. Okay, so create Azure Machine Learning. Then we use this naming. So I open the Notepad to store temporary text used for the resource group and the machine learning workspace name. Okay, and the unique ID is in the instruction number 6. Here you go. Okay, so 5463811. The machine learning workspace is MLW, follow with the same suffix. Okay, create. After that, here in the resource group, we're going to create a new one, then copy the resource group name. And then in the name of the machine learning workspace, we put MLW. Okay, yeah, so remove this, the RG. Location is closest Southeast Asia. And then the rest is by default. Yeah? Don't change anything. So review and create. Okay, then in the meantime, we don't need this anymore. except for later when we need to extend the lab duration. Okay, so validation successful, then click create. So give a few minutes to complete the provisioning of the machine learning workspace. Okay, in progress. Okay, everyone, so let's have a look on the screenshot that we need to collect. Yeah. The Milestone 5. I believe this can be it in the screenshot. Okay, so Azure environment creation, create the instance. Okay, maybe this one. Then the second one is already created. Go to the resource. Okay, already created. Okay, after that, upload the tabular dataset. So dataset that we will be using is the ABC Bank news dataset. So we copy the location, and then after that, we download from the inside the virtual machine. Okay, ABC Bank news dataset. Download this. Okay, so let's open. In the download, this is the news dataset. So you may want to see the content. Okay, yeah, this is the category and the news. So every news we have the categorizations already given. Okay, so go back here. After that, go to the machine learning workspace. And then after that, open the designer on Studio. So we're going to create a compute instance. Okay, I think this one is a create compute instance. Yep, okay, create computer instance. Okay, so do not show. Okay, just close, then close. Okay, in the computes here, so we look at the unique ID. We're going to create the compute instance new. Okay, the name is CI followed by the unique ID. This one. Okay, standard DS11 version 2, review and create. Okay, so this is create compute instance. I'm going to screenshot only after this running, yeah, after this finish. So leave this for a while. Create the dataset tabular. So go to data, after that create, and then the use dataset. What is the name? Yeah, ABC Bank's news dataset CSP. Okay, yep, so tabular, next, from the local file, next, next, okay, upload files from the this one. Yes. Okay. Then next. Okay. Next again. Then finish. Yeah. Create. Okay. So ABC Bank's new data set is already created, ready to use. So screenshot. Okay. Load and inspect the news bank news data set. Load and inspect. So let's explore. Yeah. This is the data set. Okay, then pre-process text configuration, split data, extract engram, and so on. So we follow the step here. Okay, so after this one done, yeah. Okay, maybe let's look at the compute instance, whether this is ready. Still creating, not yet. Yeah. Okay, so this is more or less the pipeline. We zoom. Okay, so this is the use data pre-process and then split. Yeah, and then feature hashing 2, and then extract engram also 2. So we compare between the two algorithm, feature hashing and extract engram. After that, compare. Yeah. Okay, so we're going to refer this. So complete the news data, pre-process, and split. Okay, go to the designer. After that, we close. After that, create a new pipeline. Okay, in the new pipeline, then after that, we drag this one news, yeah, and then after that, the just know the next one is the pre-process and split data. Pre-process and split data. Pre-process tag. Okay. Go to component, then pre-process. So there is correction on the Milestone5 task 4, yeah, pre-process tags. And then what is the next is the after pre-process is the split the data, yeah. Okay, so here in the pre-process text, you have to follow the guidelines, which is the here. Yeah, so tool is a pre-process. So this is wrong, yeah. So you need to make a correction on this. This one is wrong. Connect dataset language English, and then the text column to clean is the news. Keep all other configuration default, yeah. So English and then news. Okay. So here English, after that the column is news. Okay, save it. Yeah, the rest are the same. After that, yep. split the 50-50 randomized true, certified the true on the column category. Yeah, so 50 split the true stratified on the category. Okay, save, after that close. Split row 50-50 true, yeah, certified is a true, and then under the column category. Save it. Okay, so you notice that just now there was a message, compute instance done already, yeah, so we're going to screenshot later. After that, we continue again with the lab instructions. Extract n-gram features configuration for training data. Okay, so the n-gram text column pre-process news vocabulary create n-gram size 2 with function is a tf idf. Okay, so this time I can put this in the second part like this. Okay, so the other one is this. Okay, after the pre-process, then split, and then after that we open the n-gram, yeah, extract n-gram. Okay, yeah. So bring the data, result the data set, the first one, yeah, go into here. Then configure. The text column is the pre-processed news. Okay. Yep. So save. And then after that, the vocabulary is create. N-gram size is 2. And weighting function is the TF-IDF. And normalize n-gram features factors is true. Normalize n-gram features factors. After that, the purpose convert data. Yeah. Then you're going to add another n-gram for the different purposes. Yeah, back of words. Okay, so we create again second one. Okay, for the second one, the column is also pre-processed news. After that, save. Vocabulary is read only. And then n-gram size is 2. Weighting functions also TF-IDF. And the normalized factors are true. Okay, purpose, yeah, to convert data into numerical features for the model training. Okay, so and then you also drag the features hashing. So save, after that close. Yeah, so on the other side of here, we put the feature hashing. Okay, so in the feature hashing, we configure The target column is the pre-processed news. Pre-processed news. Okay. Missing the pre-processed news. Okay, correct. Yeah. So save it. And then hashing bit size is a 10 bit, meaning you will create a 2 power 10 hash about the 1024. Yeah. Ngram is a 2 purpose generate feature vectors for the X data using the feature hashing. So save it. After that, close. Okay, and then select column from the dataset. Apply for the both extract ngram, feature process and feature hashing process training dataset. Yeah. Select all column except the news and pre-processed news column. Okay, everyone, let's look again at the sample pipeline here. We're going to enlarge, then figure out the yeah. So here, feature hashing both, yeah. And then select column. After that, yeah, here in the exact ngram. After that, you pass the select column, and the other one you go to the input the vocabulary. Okay, yeah, so that's the pipeline. We're going to adjust our pipeline to make it like this. So we copy again. There are two feature hashing. Okay, yeah, so let's see. Will be like this. So there is the extract ngram, the second one, which will receive the data from the right side of the pod. Yeah. Okay, here you put here. After that, check again. So from this extract ngram, we could pass to this. Yeah. Okay. Wait again. Let's check. Yeah. So this one is pass to this. So we make it a little bit lower, like this. Then after that, here. Okay, good. Yeah. So far so good. And then after that, select column and then train model and score model. So select column, train model, and score model. Okay, so we continue from here. Select column in the dataset. Okay, and then after that, train the model. Okay, so let's have a look. Select column and then train model, score the model. Okay, score the model we put here. Yep. Okay, then we add the boosted decision tree. as mentioned here. Okay, so the algorithm is the boosted decision tree. Yep. So here, multi-class boosted decision tree. Okay, look for the multi-class boosted decision tree. Here you go. Yeah. Then after that, you need to configure this multi-class boosted decision tree with this setting. Configuration detail. Yeah. Create trainer model, single parameter maximum. Okay, and then after that, number of the leaves per tree 20. Minimum number of sample per leaf node is a 10. Learning rate 0.2. Number of the trees construct is 100, and random access is 0. Yeah. So save it. After that, close. Then you need to link this one. I'm going to minimize the pipeline graphical. So from the algorithm, you drag this to this. Yeah. Train the model. Okay. After that, for scoring the model, then we're going to see this like this. Yeah. So you're going to have this another engram just now, and the data, the output will be sent to the score the model. This one. Okay. And then there is something you need to add to the train the model and select column in the data set. Okay. So in the select column, this is a multi-class boosted decision tree. And then select column, apply for the both extract engram feature process and feature hashing. Select all column, yeah, except for the news and pre-processed news column. Okay, select column, edit, yeah, then with rules. Include the all columns, and then after that, except for the column by name, yeah, the name is the pre-processed news and pre-processed news. Okay. Yeah, so save it. Okay, select column after features extraction on training data. Yeah, so that's the select column. Okay, so we add the we edit, yeah, use, and then pre-processed news. Save it. Yeah, use and then pre-processed news. Select all column, exclude. Yeah. Okay. So let's go back to the train model in the pipeline. Yeah, here. So in the train model, you need to edit the column. Okay, and then label column is a category. Okay, then after that the model explanation false. Yeah, call the model, place the two score model modules on each train and connect with the train models and features extracted the testing dataset. Okay, so here this is the train model. Edit the column. Yeah, so this one is the just now train model. The label is the category. Save it. Okay, save after that close. Okay, yes. So now let's look at the other side. Yeah. So we check the right side. Yeah. Right side is looks like okay. Yep. And then on the left side, you need to connect this from the split data into this data set. Yeah. After that, there are two feature hashing. So we copy this. There are two feature hashing. Okay. Yep. Then after that, okay, so this is wrong. Eh? Enlarge first. What PDDS? Okay, so from the result dataset must go to the further dataset here. And then this one, the second one, the other 50% go to here. Okay. And after that, you're going to add the on the left here. Yeah, select column in the dataset. Okay. Then after that, train the model, score the model. Okay, so evaluate model you can put into the single to compare. So select column, train model, score model. Okay, for the select column, you can copy from this. No need to create a new one. The column name are the same. Okay, then after that, train the model. And then score the model. And then evaluate the model. It's a bit tedious, guys, so be careful. Okay, so from the select column, you bring to this data set, yeah, and then multi-class you algorithm you drag to this. After that, the train model go to this, and then the half of the data. Yeah, so you should bring to Uh, yeah, here you go. Okay, yeah, so okay, make it bigger. So after feature hashing here, the data you send to this yep, okay, so the result untrained will go into the testing. Train model, score the model. Yeah, score the model. So from the transform data set, you drag the line here. Okay, and then in the train model, you need to specify, you need to get the category. Okay, save it, then close. Yep, so looks good now, everything. And the last is to evaluate the model. So you bring this side by side on the left and also on the right. Score the data set. Okay, so compare with this diagram on the right. Yeah, let's have a look. On the top, we have the ABC or news data. Yeah. And then after that, pre-processed text, split the data. After that, we have 2 n-gram, extract n-gram. Okay, so the first is receiving the data from the 50% on the left. And then after that, the second one is this, yeah. And then the output vocabulary, you put into the input vocabulary. After that, we have the select column and then train the model. After that, the score the model and then evaluate the model. On the left, we have the feature hashing 2, yeah. So the data set come here, testing is come here. After that, the transform, sorry, select column. After that, go to the right of the train model, and then the multi-class coming to the this untrained model. Okay, after that, score the model. Then after that, evaluate both. Yeah, okay, looks like everything okay. So I will enlarge this. Okay, so save. And then after that, configure submit. So the compute instance already completed. Yep, so close this. Then yeah, already running. So we take the screenshot. Okay, then click the just now. Yep, here you go. The screenshot. The create compute instance. Yep, here you go. Okay, let's check the lab if we should extend now. Yes, yeah, so have to quickly. Now we have the additional 30 minutes. Okay. So go back to the designer pipeline. Okay, then more or less is like this. Yeah, let's look at the instruction if we miss something. Okay, yeah, so create Azure ML Designer pipeline, drag drop news dataset, understand the structure, clean, yeah, okay, text column to clean news, yeah. Okay, yeah, so clean missing data. No, this one is a pre-processed text. So this one's a pre-processed text, yeah. Yes, yeah, okay. Okay, so I think everything should be okay. Now we can submit, and if there is error, we can fix it later. Okay, configure submit. Then experiment, create a new. So X Milestone5, yeah. Okay, then review and submit. Okay, so you need to choose the convert instance first. Okay, next, after that, submit. Okay, this will take a while, yeah, because training using two algorithm, the n-gram and the feature hashing. Okay, so we can go to the job. So that look at the job, yeah, Milestone 5. Yeah, this showing you the process currently running still in the pre-process text. I'll pause for a while. Okay, everyone, after more than 5 minutes, then we look at the job, and looks like everything working correctly, green, yeah. Then we have the evaluate model. Okay, so we're going to minimize this pipeline a little bit smaller, and then rearrange again so we can take the screenshot. Yep, okay, something like this. Yep, so take the screenshot, already completed running. Okay, pre-process text configuration, split data configuration, extract. Wow, so many. Okay, pipeline, yeah, okay. So yeah, so let's see score model, yeah, for example. Like this. Oh, okay, this one is already done, yeah. So we should go to the designer to look at the designer configuration. Okay, so score model, train model. Okay, let's open, yeah. Score model, append score. Okay, because this was us. New score model. Okay, here you go. For the model. Okay, pre-process text. Okay, pre-process text is this one. Yep, so pre-process text. English, yeah, then so on. Then let's go back here in the master pre-process text. Split the data. Okay, split data is here. Yep, split data. Okay, extract n-gram for training data. Yeah, for training is on the left. Okay, yeah, so this one is the extract n-gram for the training data set. After that, select column after features extraction on the training data. Okay, select column after features extraction. Select column. Multi-class boosted decision tree, algorithm placement. Okay, this one. Train model configuration. Okay, train model configuration. This one. Okay, after that, the rest is the result. Yeah, okay, result. Then we go to the evaluate the model. Go to the just now jobs. Okay, then evaluate the model. Right click. After that, preview the data. Evaluation result. Yeah. Okay, this one is accuracy and overall 1. Okay, so very perfect. Yeah. Okay, micro recall. Okay, so that's the result here. So maybe go to the overview metrics here. Okay. Yep. So almost perfect. Okay. Let's put in the last screenshot here. Okay, result, yeah. All metrics have a perfect score 1.0, 100%. This suggests that your model perfectly classified all the test data instances. But that is also means that it is overfitting, yeah. Okay. Instead, you need to get more data for the testing. Okay. Yep, so everyone, so this is the milestone 5, and I have shown you how to complete this milestone and how to collect the screenshot as needed. Okay, thank you.